In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Jira, part of the Atlassian suite of tools. This is an essential skill for optimizing your workflow, keeping on top of tasks, and reducing unnecessary distractions. We'll walk through the steps in just 5 minutes, ensuring you can personalize your notification settings to suit your unique needs. First, let's head over to Atlassian's platform, which is designed for collaboration among software, IT, and business teams. If you're not already on a browser, open one and navigate to Atlassian's homepage. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of the page. Signing in means having access to all your projects and settings, so go ahead and input your login details before proceeding. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your Jira home. This can usually be accessed from a dashboard link or from your account menu. Jira Home is your command center, offering you a snapshot of your ongoing projects and tasks. Here, you'll have the option to configure various settings specific to your account, and it's where you'll also adjust your notification settings. Next, look for the Settings section. This will be in a visible spot on your Jira homepage, often within a sidebar or a drop-down menu from the main navigation bar. Clicking into Settings will bring you one step closer to managing your notifications effectively. Once in your settings, direct yourself specifically to Notification Settings. This section is where you can control how and when you receive alerts from Jira. Notifications ensure that you stay informed about updates or changes related to your tasks and projects, but too many can be overwhelming. Here, you have the option to customize your preferences, deciding which types of notifications you really need to receive, whether via email, in-app messages, or another method. Take your time here to review the various options, ensuring that you're only opting for the notifications that genuinely add value to your workflow. Tailor them to what suits you best, relieving yourself of unnecessary alerts and ensuring significant updates aren't missed. This balance will keep you informed without being overwhelmed by constant notifications. And that's it. You've successfully managed your notifications in Jira. Always remember that you can revisit these settings to make further adjustments as your needs evolve or as your team's projects change. Managing notifications is a key step in staying organized and ensuring your projects run smoothly without constant interruptions. Thank you for following along, and happy task managing with Jira.